Welcome to 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. FHRAI demands infrastructure status for hospitality sector from Sitharaman. Unprecedented work done by government in field of tourism. President Murmu. Heavy rain, snowfall in Himachal, orange alert issued. Assocham's MSME Council appeals to centre to focus on spiritual tourism in budget. Detailed action plan prepared to project Uttar Pradesh as most favourite tourist destination. India will be among the top 10 tourism markets for Turkey in 3 years. Passengers erupt in protest at Gaya after Indigo cancels Devgarh flight for second day. Ministry of Civil Aviation announces to launch 8 new flights for Ayodhya from February 1st. Grow your travel business with TravServer. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Use your full potential to develop and grow your travel business with TravServer CRM.